Inside your body, a silent war is being waged every second. Your internal repair crews, the stem cells that rebuilt you from a single cell, are either winning or being systematically dismantled by an invisible enemy. This isn't science fiction. It's the biological reality of aging. And for millions of men, the battle is being lost without them even knowing it. But what if you could reawaken your body's ultimate weapon? Stem cells are your master builders. They can become muscle, bone, brain, or any other cell your body needs for repair. Research highlighted by institutions like Harvard Medical School confirms these cells are not just for growth. They are a standing army, waiting for the signal to deploy and rebuild damaged tissue, from a strained muscle to the lining of your arteries. The signal, however, is being jammed. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol, a hormone that paralyzes stem cell function. High sugar foods create a storm of inflammation and high glucose, effectively blinding these repair cells. And poor sleep? It's like cutting the communication lines entirely, preventing your stem cells from migrating to where they're needed most during the critical 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. repair window. There is a way to reset the system, a biological override switch that forces your body into a state of profound repair. It's called autophagy, triggered by intermittent fasting. When you fast for 12, 16, or even 24 hours, your body, deprived of external energy, begins a cellular cleanup. It hunts down and consumes damaged, dysfunctional cells, clearing the way for fresh, new stem cells to be produced and deployed. Research shows a 24-hour fast can trigger a surge in intestinal stem cell regeneration, essentially rebuilding your gut lining and boosting immunity. Fasting clears the field. Physical force mobilizes the troops. High-intensity and endurance exercise is the command to deploy. When you push your body, you don't just build muscle. You force your bone marrow to release endothelial progenitor cells into your bloodstream. These are the specialized stem cells that repair the lining of your 60,000 miles of blood vessels, fighting plaque and restoring blood flow. Strenuous activity is a direct order for your body to reinforce its most critical supply lines. This is where the science becomes your personal action plan. It's time to stop being a victim of cellular decay and become the commander of your own regeneration. Here is your protocol, starting tomorrow. First, the 16-8 autophagy window. You will finish your last meal by 8 p.m. tonight, and you will not eat again until 12 p.m. tomorrow. This 16-hour fasting period is the minimum effective dose to initiate autophagy, clearing out cellular debris. Second, the regenerative first meal. Your 12 p.m. meal is not just food. It's a targeted medical intervention. It will consist of 4 ounces of fatty fish, like salmon, for its stem cell activating omega-3s, 1 large cup of steamed broccoli for its sulforaphane content, which reduces inflammation, and a handful of blueberries, a potent antioxidant that protects your new cells from damage. Third, the pre-meal mobilization. Before this meal, you will perform a 20-minute high-intensity interval workout. This can be as simple as 30 seconds of all-out effort, sprinting, cycling, or even fast bodyweight squats, followed by 60 seconds of rest, repeated 10 times. This workout, performed in a fasted state, floods your bloodstream with endothelial progenitor cells right before you provide the nutritional building blocks to support their work. This 3-part strategy, fast, move, feed, creates a powerful synergistic effect, turning your body from a state of decline into a highly efficient regenerative machine.